When they arrived on the islands, the snails branched out and took on a variety of ecological roles. Some of these species came to function as decomposers, like earthworms, which are not native to the islands, and fulfill the essential ecological role of breaking down detritus. What is it about the captivating silver screen that infects people with the travel itch? Sometimes it isn't enough simply to watch your favorite characters embark on a mountainous journey or to see your on-screen hero defeat their nemesis in an epic desert battle sequence. Sometimes, you have to experience the chill of the air, the monumental castles, the cityscapes, and the other iconic views all for yourself. It could be a parent, sibling, family member or friend. It could be you. Almost everyone knows someone who has or has had cancer. The statistics are stark: 1 in 3 American males are likely to develop the disease. Cancer is impenetrably complex and notoriously difficult to treat. It is one of the leading causes of death in the world. The alarm goes off on your smartphone and you swipe it to snooze. But in the minutes between sleeping and showering, you are far from idle. You consult your calendar and confirm a meeting by email. Checking the local weather, you plan your journey on an app and text a colleague. After a quick online search for more details of your meeting and a glance through the news for conversation starters, there's still time for a post on social media. Rivers are also primary sources of drinking water for humans. They control flooding. They provide irrigation for crops. They're harnessed for hydropower. Despite the critical role they play for both humans and in nature, they're often overlooked. The timing was perfect for a young seaman with talent and ambition. In the 1690s, Peter the Great had started building up the Russian Navy as part of his plan to modernize his vast, but socially and technologically backward country. Esteemed for their seamanship, Denmark's sailors were well respected. Which explains Bering's quick ascent through the ranks and his close working relationships with the Tsar's most respected admirals.